Ay.
Headshot, boy. What you even trying to play me for anyway, nigga? I'm Hawkeye. What you think was finna happen? Oh, yeah.
We.
John! Nigga, move!
My leg!
I'll hold him up. You shoot the arrow. Oh! No, wait. All right, gonna shoot this nigga. Yeah. Bro, what is taking you so long? Oh, hold on, nigga. Damn. You act like you ain't able to shoot a bow before. Shit hard. Shit. All right, I got it. Hey, wait. Put the weapons down and fight like a real nigga.
Oh, well, I am a real nigga before I'm a god. So what's up?
Hey, Jarvis, this nigga dumb. Hey, tell me where we about to swing.
Oh, yeah, my nigga, we about to look in the guys. Right.
Hey. What, is that Captain America over there?
Where? Oh, man. He got slept already?
I knew his ass was weak.
God, bro.
I knew he wasn't human. Man, dog. How the fuck is this nigga a captain, but yeah, he always getting his ass beat the fuck up?
That's what I'm saying. And they broke his shield, bro. What?
Oh, damn, he really is just a regular nigga now.
Yeah, bro,
he has
just
no
like
powers.
Hawkeye. He just like, wait, where is Hawkeye? Oh my God. Oh.
I'm not finished.
Oh! That nigga is real life beating the dog shit out of him.
We really about to say this, man. He about to die.
Well, good
I got it.
Whoa, stop! Iron Man! Stop! Nigga's not dead, man.